Ayo! In today's hike, we explore a Bay Area hiking classic, Mission Peak Trail. Mission Peak is located in the southeast region of the Bay Area, in the city of Fremont. There are two trailheads for getting to the top, one on Stanford Avenue with a small parking lot, and the other at Ohlone College, which has a small lot, but it was closed when I went, so you may need to pay for parking in one of the Ohlone lots. But you can also park along Mission Boulevard for free and walk into the trailhead. From the Ohlone lot, reaching the top of Mission Peak is about 3.2 miles, making this a 6.41 mile trek with 1,938 feet of elevation gain. Watch out for cars. Once you do make it to the top, you'll get some great views of the bay. And if you're up here around the holidays, you may spot this Christmas tree hauled up here by Brian and Sushil from the Bay Area Hikers Facebook group. After a snack break and some obligatory shots with the tree, I made my way down.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I was like, oh no! Okay.
Today's first time?
My first time.
Hey, congrats.
Thank you. Yeah.
It's not easy.
And she's a Bay Area native. I was like,
Yeah.
Once you do make it to the top, most of the hard work is over and it's nearly all downhill with a couple of flat spots. I'm not usually a fan of out and back hikes, but the views on the way down were pretty great.
Mission Peak, I gotta say it's a lot easier going down. No surprise, right? It's a lovely hike. You know, if you can get to the top, enjoy that view. If you're not from the Bay Area, you should check it out. And if you're from the Bay Area, you should have checked it out already. And if you haven't, get on it.
All things considered, if you're looking for a challenging hike with some rewarding views, Mission Peak should definitely be on your list.
Thank you, Mission Peak. We'll see you on the next one.
As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, get outside and take a hike.